So we are now at the Hangzhou East Railway Station, and we will today leave Hangzhou and will stay for the last several days in Shanghai. And we will take the train. Yeah, that's why I'm at the train station. But there will be something different than last time. Last time we took a second class ticket, like I usually do, and which is totally sufficient for any trip here in China. But I always wanted to know how the higher classes look like. So in China the system is like this. They have second class, first class, and the highest class is the business class. And today I bought some business class tickets because I want to check how the business class in the train from Hangzhou to Shanghai looks like. I want to experience it. And I just saw they also have a VIP business class lounge, so we will first go to the lounge, and then I will show you how the business class looks like from Hangzhou to Shanghai. So see you there. So in front there's the VIP entrance. Hopefully they let me in. Okay, we are now in the business lounge, so they let us in, and we also got a number. So when our train will arrive, then somebody will escort us to the place where we have to take the train, and until then we can just stay here in the business lounge where we have very comfortable seats. And I'm not sure if the drinks are free, but maybe I will find out later. Now we're here, and it's a very good experience. So actually all the stuff is free. So we are now out in the train station to get to the train, and you see the difference to the business lounge. Much more crowded, much louder, not so nice, but also okay. And we reached the place where you can board a train now, and then I will show you how it looks like in the business class. The business seats in the train, they are always located in the first part of the train, directly behind the driver. So for example in this train it will be here in the first wagon of the train. There will be the business seats, so you have to walk to the front where wagon number 1 is. So we now check what the seat can do, and it seems so if you want you can sleep here. I'm not sure if it's comfortable enough to sleep, but you can lie down totally. So that's leg space. Not like in the bus too functional. Just found out there's a screen here. So we also got something to drink, and a small present. I think it's something to eat. Let's open it and then check. Some kind of cookie. And now to the screen. So what we have here is a screen that you can put here, unfold, and start. So and here on the other side we have the table, so we also can unfold, but you can't unfold it when the screen is out, but at least you have it. not so easy to put it back. I have to figure it out later. How you can set it up and which position you want to have. But for me, I think the leather is warmer than the second class seat, so I prefer just the material of the second class seat because it's not as warm as the leather here. The screen which is here, which I showed you before, is pretty basically useless, so there's nothing you can really watch on it and it doesn't work pretty good. The table works like a table, so it's good. Just the free stuff you get is also okay, and as you can see, the space for the legs is more than sufficient. And if you want, you can lie down and also sleep there, and also the space for the luggage is enough, and it's not very crowded, not very loud, so very comfortable ride. So all in all, the business class experience in a Chinese high-speed train is very, very good. And if it's not so expensive, then I would like to take it more often. I think especially when you consider going maybe from Beijing to Shanghai or from Shanghai to Beijing, you should consider this train and also consider the business class, because the business class tickets are a little bit over 200 euros, I think, from going to Shanghai to Beijing. And I think the plane tickets are almost the same, but it's just the plane tickets for economy class. So you have to think about if you want to have this business class experience and going very smooth, very comfortable to Shanghai or to Beijing, or if you want to sit in a plane which has just the economy class experience. And I think from the time it's almost the same, because at the airport you have to arrive earlier, you have to board the plane, you have to get off, you have to get your luggage, so there's a lot of time lost, and also most of the time the airports are not in the city center, so to go to the center also takes some time. So I think if you want to have also a longer distance trip in China, you should really consider taking a business class trip in a train and not taking economy class flight. So the business class experience is over. So what you have is the business class lounge, where you don't have to wait in line for the security check. You have the lounge experience, you have some free drinks, you have some snacks, very comfortable. Then you also have the priority boarding. So I got on the train as the first person, because I had the business class ticket, and you have the business class experience with the business class seat and the business class environment, some free drinks and snacks also in the train. So all in all, very good experience. If you're in China and you have to do a longer trip and have to decide, do I take the plane or the train, consider to take a business class trip, because very comfortable, very good.